Hi everyone, my co-saver the spenders. Welcome back again to my channel. So now this beauty, the Neverfull Damier Azur, is ready to be used in 2026. So I've kept this last year, though I bought it in a Q3. So as you can see, the untreated leather turns into patina slightly, which I wasn't expecting because I kept it in its dust bag for since I bought it. So anyway, what to do? We'll have to use it as that's how it goes, yeah. And now I'm just wondering which bag organizer should I use. Should it be the small size or the medium one? Let's see. Let's decide after doing this video. Okay. Are you wondering what bag organizers to use for your Neverfull What size could it be? Well, there are two options that you can use, and I've tried it, so I wanted to share with you. Maybe you will like it also. So I have here the one that I bought earlier before last year, which is the medium size, and and then this year I bought not this. I think I bought not this year. I bought this last year also in December, for because I'm thinking to have another one for my Speedy 25 because this small size doesn't fit in it. So I wanted to try if this fits in this bag, and yeah, it does. So if you wanted to a bit more structured, I think you should go for this because it really fits exactly the bag. So let's put it again, for example. Okay, no. Yeah, so there you go. Okay, so it's exactly from the edges to here. Okay, whereas um, for the medium size, for the small size, as you can see, I have here with me my tumbler, small one. It's so cute, right? And then the power bank. And I have my small hairbrush, my office phone, a small lipstick kit, and then I have my face powder, tissue, earphone, and then lotion and this hair bonds. So if I'm gonna put it inside, let's check how it works. Okay. Yeah, so it fits also. What's the difference? The difference is that you have more space here on the sides, wherein if you really wanted to cinch in your bag, for example this one, it's more easier because it has a room here, space here, as compared when you use this organizer. So it's more easier to cinch in the bag. Okay, this is still new, so that's why the canvas is still stiff, I would say. Maybe in the long run it will be softer. So yeah, so that's how it goes. Okay, you can cinch it more, but I don't actually prefer to cinch it now, so I just keep it like that because I just prefer to have it how do you call this one, as a tote bag. So that's it, guys. If you wanted to use the medium one, it fits. If you wanted to use the small one, it fits also. There's not much any difference at all. So if you have one, actually one bag organizer is okay because you will save actually rather than having two. The only reason why I bought the other one is because I bought this first and before buying this one. Had I known that the small size would fit in this as well, then I could have just bought that one. But at that time I was looking for my Speedy 30 and my Damier Neverfull That's the reason why I bought this, and also I bought this at a cheaper price. So That's why I grab it at that time. But now bag organizers are prices have gone down, so there's a lot of things that you can find in Amazon. Did you manage to guess what I use as a bag organizer? So in the morning I use the small organizer because it gives me more space in my bag, and I only, as you've seen, I only bring little stuffs to office. So that's all, guys, and thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.